Okay, 19mm, we're busting the lug nuts. Okay, so we're going to jack it up using the engine cradle, put it on a couple of blocks, wood blocks, and remove the wheels. Okay, the caliper bolts are 14mm. Okay, with those two caliper bolts out of the way, we'll get a coat hanger and hang it up. Then it's onto the pad bracket and the two 17mm bolts. These are torqued a little heavier. We're checking the pins right now, and we're going to be taking those out and cleaning them up too. And with that done, if you want to use power, you might be able to get in there. Otherwise, probably a breaker bar would be your best bet to get the bracket off. Here's where you can pull the pins out, clean them up, and relube them. And just turn those in until it comes loose.
I should do them equally?
Yeah, it's always a good practice. When the rotor is rusted on to the hub as badly as this one is, the only way to go is use these pull-out bolts. Oh, that's in there pretty good, isn't it?
Might have to hit it with some penetrating.
It'll go. There's no choice.
It's going slowly.
That's why they put them in there. That's why the Alpaca foundry machined them in there.
Ah.
Some rust in there. Yeah, look at that rust. We're going to clean the hub up and lube it to prevent rust in the future. Now we're using some brake parts cleaner and a wire brush to clean up this this bracket, the pad holder bracket. So at a little additional cost, we're going with OEM rotors made in the USA and OEM brake pads. There are two shims that go on each brake pad. There's one with the cutouts on that goes on first, and there it snaps into place. And there's several lube spots on this with the included lubricant that you need to put it on. There's actually 3 there, and they show them on the sheet of paper that came with it. And then there's a cover shim that goes on top of that one with the cutouts. We've placed the grease into 3 spots and then on with the cover shim. Spinning a lug nut on there to hold the rotor in place when we put on the bracket is helpful. Don't forget to put new pad shims in the brackets. Okay, remount. And those are 17mm. Your own cameraman.
So we lubricated.
Yep, we added lube there on the ear, both sides. No,
So,
that's the inboard one.
inboard?
Yeah. You have to kind of push them down and spring the seat in those holders. 59.5 foot-pounds on those.
We're gonna need the extension for that one.
You don't finish one all completely before you have the other one up a little though. Adding an extension on that side. Sorry. Actually, you do these from side to side, so they're even. Unless your brake fluid level is low, you're going to need to take some out to avoid a spill as you compress the pistons on the caliper. On this double cylinder style here, you want to use a brake pad and you want to put fry pressure in the middle, in the clamp it in the middle.
That's now that it's slightly.
May as well take it all the way down.
You might want to check the reservoir because I'm doing both.
Yeah, as you can see, pretty much retracted all the way. Yeah, make sure your brake hose is still in its natural position.
Don't pitch your finger.
So these were 14 millimeters, the two of them. Yes. And we have 19.5 on those two. Okay, torque them up to about 100 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.